Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the stopwatch or timer in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open app library and open utilities and open clock. Here you can see the option world clock, alarm, stopwatch, timers. Click on stopwatch and here you start the if you want to start stopwatch, then click on start, and here you can add laps, click and add, click and add, click and add. If you want to stop it, then click on stop, and if you want to reset it, then you see the option of reset and click on reset. The stopwatch timer will be reset, and go to timer, and if you want to use timer, and then set your timer here, and after setting that, so then start it. After the 3 seconds, the alarm will be enabled, and you want to change your alarm bell, then click on when timer ends and you can select any bell here. So this way to use the stopwatch or timer in iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.